I love Texas. Texas is future-oriented. Texans think anything is possible. Texans think big. These are not my words. These are the words of Senator Phil Gramm. Today I'll be giving you 5 reasons why Texas is the best state for startup entrepreneurs and businesses. 1. Low corporate tax rate. California has a flat corporate income tax rate of 8.84% of gross income. All businesses running in California that are not registered as a flow-through entity, like a sole proprietorship, partnership, or S corporation, need to report their income and pay both California and federal corporate income taxes on their income. Texas is a great tax haven for startups and entrepreneurs because it is among the 3 states in the whole country that does not have a corporate income tax. If you think reducing taxes is a great idea, click the like button now. Also subscribe now if you haven't done so yet. I'm uploading new content on entrepreneurship and digital marketing several times a week right now. 2. No state income tax. Who doesn't want a lower tax bill? As of 2020, there are 7 states that don't have a personal income tax. Alaska, Florida, Nevada, South Dakota, Texas, Washington, and Wyoming. The Lone Star State hates personal income taxes so much it decided to forbid them in the state's constitution. One of the big advantages of living in a no-tax state is that you're obviously going to save a lot of money. So I'm not telling you anything new here. I know there are other factors besides tax rates that help determine how great a state can be for business owners. That's why I'm going to talk about different factors, such as the minimum wage, the cost of living, and other trivial but awesome things why Texas is a great state to live in. 3. Texas is one of the states with the lowest minimum wage. 30 states have a minimum wage that exceeds the federal government's $7.25 per hour rate. For a small or startup business owner, a low minimum wage is important if you wish to employ people. If you lived in a state where the minimum wage is just $1 per hour more expensive, then you would end up spending thousands of dollars more every year. We all know how difficult it is to make a profit in the first few years of a business. This would make it even more difficult. If you're just starting a business, you want to live where the minimum wage is low. A higher minimum wage would restrict you from hiring more people and constrain you from growing your business. 4. Texas is one of the states with the lowest cost of living. Texas is one of the most affordable states to live in. This should be extremely important when choosing a state to have a business in or live in, because who wouldn't want to save a lot of money? Texas has an overall cost of living index of 90.7, making it the 9th lowest cost of living state in the country. Affordable housing comes with low cost of land. The housing index in the state of Texas is 84.5. This compares to the housing index in California, which is 239.1. The average price for a rented house in Texas is about $1,450, and the median home value is about $163,000. Whereas in California, the median house cost is $553,000. The grocery store is 89.5 and transportation 93.7, which means that it is affordable for the average person. The average cost of an inexpensive meal in Texas is about $9. And you can grab a local beer for as low as $3. All in all, it makes a lot of sense cost of living wise. 5. Trivial but awesome reasons. If you are not a big fan of snow and extremely cold weather, Texas is perfect for you. Most of Texas has warm winters. No need to travel a few states over to get to the beach. Nothing beats Texas hospitality. Expect to be called sir, ma'am, honey, and sweetie. Common courtesy is ingrained to the core. Texas is rich in energy resources. Texas produces more oil and wind power than any other state in the country. This helps to keep fuel costs and energy costs low. There is a town and city for just about everyone. One of the largest and most cosmopolitan cities in Texas is Houston, if you want the New York scene. Keep Austin weird is their slogan for a reason. It can be said to be the San Francisco of the state. If you happen to like small towns, there's plenty. Marfa is one of them. If you are looking for a big city but are not excited of how expensive it can be living in one, Arlington, Texas is your choice. Arlington, Texas has been named as one of the most affordable big cities in the country. Ultimately, no matter what you're looking for, chances are you will find it in Texas. I hope that if you're thinking about moving or thinking about where to start a business, you remember this video. I have personally experienced all the points that we discussed in today's video, and I highly encourage you to do your own research to find out why Texas is the best state to live in. The facts are there. I wish you the best if you are an entrepreneur or thinking about starting a business. Feel free to comment any questions and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share it with your friends, like, comment, and subscribe. I see you on the next video.